How to share or transfer tickets from Apple Wallet. So first of all, start by opening up your Apple Wallet and then locate the tickets that you want to share. Now once you have located the ticket, you just need to tap on share icon, usually a box with an arrow pointing up. Then you need to choose airdrop and select the recipient device from the list and confirm the transfer. Next step is via email or message. You need to simply again open up the wallet application, and from the ticket that you want to share you will have three dots, so simply tap on it to access pass details. Tap the share icon and select the desired method. You can go with email, message, etc., and then enter the recipient information and send the ticket. This process works not only for event tickets but also for train tickets, concert passes, and other items stored in your Apple Wallet. Hope this helped. This is how you can share or transfer tickets from Apple Wallet.